Welcome to another full spectrum laser video. Today, we'll be showing you our Galvo laser's capabilities on a set of handcuffs for our local police department. As you can see, the laser is outlining a preview of the engraving, allowing us to line it up perfectly. This is in real time. The handcuffs are done in under a minute. We did additional passes to create depth in the engraving. Check out what the laser sounds like while it's running. And with that, we wipe away the dust, and the handcuffs are completed. Using a microscopic camera, we can see the detail with this ballpoint pen for scale. These handcuffs can be engraved with any design you like. Badge numbers, names, departments, you name it. As you can see, the handcuffs are still completely functional after the engraving. If you have any interest or questions, leave a comment down below, or contact our sales department at sales@fslaser.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making.